Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to install Python and pip on Windows 10. So let's get started. I will go to browser and type Python. So this is the first link python.org. We will click on this. Now go to download section. So this will give you the latest Python file. So current one is Python 3.9.7. So if you click on this, it will download the exe file which we will be used to install. So I have already downloaded this file. So I will double click on this one to start the installation. So this will give you two options whether to use a default one install now or you can use a customized installation. Apart from this, it have another checkbox which will add a Python path into your environment variable. So click on this one and we will go with the customized installation. So in customized installation, it will give you an option for to install whichever feature you would like. So first one is the documentation. This will install the documentation file on your system. Another one is pip. Pip is a tool which will be used to download the Python packages and library on your machine. After that, we have ideally. Ideally is a default development environment provided by the Python. And apart from that, there are some Python test suite file launcher and it will install for all user. We will go to next. So here it's given you an option to install for all user. If you have multiple user on your system and you want to install Python for all of them, select this checkbox. On my system, I am the only one, so I'm not using this option. So I will just customize the installation path. So I would like to Python to be installed on my disk. So here we have only single folder as a download. So we will write Python, so it will automatically create a folder Python in this drive. So it will take few seconds to install all the feature which we have selected. So as you can see, it's currently installing all the standard libraries provided by the Python. So now it's installing the test suite. So it will basically take somewhere around 60 seconds to 2 minutes to install this complete Python on your Windows machine. So currently it's installing the pip which is used for installing Python packages and library. So installation is complete. We will click on close. If you go to your start menu, now you can see there's a Python option, Python 3.9 which we have installed. So it has installed the ideally Python environment and documentation. If you also go to my disk E, so here you can see a Python folder is created and all the file related to Python are present in this particular folder. So now let's write a sample code to check if Python is working properly or not. We will open a command prompt. First we will check the Python version. For that command is Python hyphen version. So this is the Python version which we have downloaded 3.9.7. Now if I type Python, it will take me to the Python environment. Now let's try something out here. Ashok Yadav. So it will simply print whatever we have provided over here. Now we can test it using another method. Ideally, which is installed by default, we will go to Python. Ideally, it will take some time to come up. Oh yeah, it's there. So here also again we will write something to print. It is the simple command which we can test right now. Subscribe to my channel. So it will simply print out the statement. Subscribe to my channel. So here you can save the file, create a new file also. So this is all about Python installation and setup. Thank you. Please do subscribe to my channel, and in next video we will learn how to install PyCharm and Jupyter on Windows 10. Thank you.